Sunday is absolutely the best day to use the Too Good To Go app, in my opinion, purely because the shops shut earlier, so you tend to have collections earlier. So today I've gone a bit nuts. I've got 2 surprise bags from the Too Good To Go app. If you've never used it before, please do check it out. I have a whole playlist on them. Basically, you get discounted food. You don't get to choose what you get. It's a surprise bag, obviously, and you get a lot for your money, or will we? We'll find out shortly. This one is from Subway. This was actually for collection between 10 and 10:30 this morning, which is very convenient. And it's the bread bag, so it's basically, it's not filled sandwiches, it's just bread and cookies, maybe, possibly, we'll find out shortly, which is useful because I want to do sandwiches for lunch for my kids. So this one costs £2.20, and according to the app, it should have a value of at least £6. Let's see what we've got. Okay, it's looking good, it's smelling good. Yay, we're on to a winner. We're starting off with chocolate chunk cookies ×3. These look good. These will be gone within the next 30 seconds, I suspect, because my kids are hollering for a snack. So there we go. And then the rest looks like it's bread. It feels really soft. This is not stale. This is half of some sort of herby loaf. That'll be good. This is half of a non-herby loaf of bread. Again, maybe that bit feels a bit stale. What I will probably do with some of this is slice it up and dehydrate it and pop it in a jar, and then I've got breadcrumbs that I can use to make, I don't know, fish fingers or katsu curry or whatever I want to make. We've got a whole baguette here. This is looking fabulous. Ed might be having sandwiches at lunch for work tomorrow. And I've got 3 more. Wow, so these are, I'm not sure what this is on it. I'm not a Subway connoisseur, so I don't know what kind this is. So, and again, another one of the same. And then a wholemeal roll. Slightly squished because it was at the bottom of the bag, but I can't blame them for that. So all in all, let's see if I can do the logistics of this. For £2.20, I don't think that's bad. And all of them do feel, you know, fresh, soft. I'm not worried about these going into tomorrow and suddenly going stale, but I will find ways to use them up as quickly as possible because I don't want it to go to waste. Later on today, I will be popping over to Aldi. I've got a surprise bag from there, and their bags are always spot on. So let's see what we get in that one. It is now several hours later and it's miserable out there. It's absolutely chucking it down. British summer is most definitely over. Now, I went out and got the Aldi bag, well, box. It cost £3.30 and I'm underwhelmed, but I'm being a little bit unfair. Let me explain. Typically, the Aldi Too Good To Go boxes, bags, whatever, are incredible, like amazing. I think the most value I ever got from one was like £49 for £3.30, which is amazing. This one, just, it's great. There's some really lovely stuff in it. It's just not as good as normal. But anyway, we'll go through, we'll see what we've got. Aldi normally has prices online, so what I'll do is I'll put up on screen how much something should have been had I bought it at full price. Right, first things first. Extra smooth, specially selected hummus. I love hummus. I'm going to eat that possibly this afternoon. If not, I'll have it for lunch tomorrow. If I do decide to have that this afternoon, I've still got some left for tomorrow. Extra smooth hummus with lemon and coriander. That sounds really nice. That actually I might eat first. Right, sliced mushrooms. These don't look like they're going to last that long. I have enough dehydrated mushrooms. I'm going to throw these in the freezer, I think. Or do I just chuck them on the dehydrator? I don't know. I can't decide. Sliced mushrooms anyway. Very nice. Chicken tikka pocket wraps. They look good. That might be a little late night treat for Ed, or he could take them to work tomorrow for his lunch. Except he won't, because I know what he will take for his lunch tomorrow. Korean style noodle salad. That sounds lovely. If I could eat that, I would. They are, you know, they're reasonable sized portions, but perhaps a bit small for lunch for a 6-foot man doing a physical job. So what I might do is actually combine those in one Tupperware for him, and then he definitely has lunch for tomorrow. Right. Oh, these would be good for the critters. I've got various animals that Oh no, it has got onion in it. Might need to pick the onion out because I can't eat that. Edamame bean and broccoli stir fry. I wish I'd had this yesterday when I made sweet and sour chicken. Never mind. Looks good, doesn't look slimy, which is always a plus because stir fry in the bag tends to go slimy pretty quickly. To go with that, we have rice noodles. Stir fry in 2 minutes. I bet you're going to say do not freeze, aren't you? And I'm going to freeze you anyway. Oh, it doesn't even specify. Ooh. Doesn't even say don't freeze. Sometimes these things do, but they do freeze, and I will. Because we're not going to be using that in the next couple of days. So for me or the children, I'm not sure, I've got some fruit fingers. We've got some Galia melon, some mango and some pineapple in there. That will be gone within the next 30 seconds. So that's all good. And finally, a pack of British radishes, which I'm quite grateful for because mine have all either now gone to seed or been eaten by me. So there we go. Underwhelming, as I say, but for £3.30, that's still a lot of stuff. So I'm not actually complaining. I think I expect so much of them now that they've conditioned me to be disappointed if it's anything less than spectacular, which is unfair, really. So all of that together means the total value of the Aldi box was whatever is on screen, because I haven't figured it out yet. I will do that when I'm editing. So let me know. Do you think it was worth it? I think it was worth it. Maybe not worth going out in this rain, but it was definitely worth it. Right, that's it. That's what I got today, well, this week really, from the Too Good To Go app. Let me know if you've had any good boxes recently. I would love to hear all about them. And if you've enjoyed, please do like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.